How to survive wild animal attacks in the wild. Animal attacks in the wild are very rare. However, it is important that you know how to survive in case you are faced with such a situation. In this video, we will share with you some of the most useful techniques to use according to the type of wild animal, large cats. You can prevent an attack by wearing a bell or other noisemaker that will scare away large cats in the area. During an encounter, stand your ground, because large cats don't want to attack prey that will fight them back. Intimidate the wild animal by yelling, holding out a piece of clothing that will resemble wings, or climb onto the shoulders of your bigger companion if there is any. Use a pepper spray or throw rocks at the animal to fight back if the animal attacks. Protect your neck, head, and throat by crossing your arms at the back of your head and crunching your shoulders around your ears to shield yourself. Bears. 1. Mother bears tend to be protective of their young, so avoid bear cubs. 2. Purchase bear spray or repellents as defense from bears, and in order to cover the smell of your food that can attract them. 3. Know the basics of bear behavior. For instance, if a bear stands with its hind legs, it just means that the bear is curious and is not showing hostility. 4. Generally, bears prefer to retreat, so it is better to stay calm and don't panic. 5. Don't turn your back and run away from bears, because it will make them think you are a prey to chase. 6. If a grizzly bear approaches you, play dead. If a black bear makes contact, stay where you are and make yourself look threatening by waving your arms or jacket. Wolves and wild dogs. 1. Don't make eye contact with them because they see it as a sign of aggression. 2. Show submissiveness by lowering your head and slumping your lower body. Alligators, crocodiles, and caimans. 1. Avoid the water if you know that it is their natural habitat. 2. Beware of subtle wrinkles or surface movements in the water. 3. If the animal attacks a limb, hit it on the nose and try not to be dragged into the water or be shaken. Sharks. If an area is known to be frequented by sharks, don't lie on the surface because they will see you as a seal or other prey. 2. Try not to panic when you see a shark. Slowly get to the shore with your head above the water. 3. If a shark brushes against you, just stay where you are and then swim away calmly. 4. Wave your hands to signal for help and shout if sharks surround you. 5. If the shark takes a bite at you, punch or scratch its eyes and gills so it will let go. These are just some of the ways by which you can survive an attack by wild animals. If you are unsure of the safety of the place you're visiting, make sure that you have a companion and that you are well prepared for such circumstances. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.